Good morning from the Wenas Wildlife Area. Today's January 1st, 2025, and it's probably about 10:15 or so. We got 5 rigs today. Don was up there. I don't know what he was doing up there, but anyway, we're all aired down. We're about to take off here in a few minutes. Should be a fun run. Okay, we're off. 5 rigs. We're off in the snow. Go up the towers first and see if we can't run the ridge all the way back over to the North Wenas Road. At least that's the plan. It's getting foggy up here. Some deep puddles. Well, now we're making the tracks. It was nice, someone else was already before us, just spot out the rocks and the holes. So, well, I guess we'll find them. They're buried in the snow. Beautiful up here. Looks a little rough. Oh, okay, officially stuck. Should have been paying attention to the road instead of filming. Oh well. It's fun. Johnny pulled me out, and Jerry's making holes for me to get stuck again. I think so. And he's stuck. That means there's gonna be some big holes. See if I can't pull him back. He's trying to back it down so we don't get stuck in his holes. Yeah, some deep ruts there. Well, he's stuck again. I kept making his tracks, tried to make my own, and I got stuck. Tires are digging too much. I backed up and I went up the hill. That way Johnny can pull Jerry out. He's got a lot more ground clearance than I do. Everyone else is up here on top already. Sure is a nice view over the top of the clouds. See Sturt Mountain over there. decided to go ahead and just take a break there since we all were at the top of the hill, and then move on down the ridge. Looks pretty scary over there. I might go this way. Joey went back down to see if he can actually tow some of these guys up. I guess Johnny decided to go ahead and get another try. Anyway, we've been here for a little while. It's a pretty difficult hill to climb. My little Jeep wasn't for sure it was going to make it or not. But I dug down enough to grab traction. Get through the ruts. Sure is pretty up here above the clouds. And of course we got more clouds above us, which is slowing down our sunshine. Top now. We're heading on down the ridge. We decided to turn around because the snowdrift I got stuck in. Alba got stuck getting out of the way, forced to turn around. So that was an easy pull. So we're gonna go ahead and go down the Belltail Road. Sally wants out to play. A couple other Jeeps came up. Those Jeeps over there just came up this road here, so it's packed. So it should be pretty easy sailing now. Back down in the clouds. Left that building. But the fun road that we usually take is closed. They now have gates on both ends of it. They say it's for habitats. They use that phrase every time they want to close something. Road. We're going to see if we can't get to the top of the hill there. I believe it's Buffalo Hill. Turn off Rosa Road. So I think this is a Buffalo Hill. track stop, so I guess I'll be finding these holes and rocks by myself. It sure is foggy down here. An awful lot of mud puddles too. Yeah, I've hit quite a few mud puddles. The tops are iced over and they're snowed, and didn't know there's mud there until I splashed through it. So this poor Jeep's gonna need a bath. Well, we're at the end of the road. It's above the Rosa Dam on the Yakima River. Not that you can see anything. Normally there's a good view over, looking over Army Base and East Selah. But today it's fog. Those dogs are enjoying the run. We're headed back down Rosa Road. Now, this hole right here is a little deep. That was interesting. Back down here at Rosa Road. We're on Rosa and dropping down towards their road. There's less and less snow. We made it back down to Sheep Company Road. This is the south end of Durr. And Jerry's helping me air my tires up. Well, it's been a great New Year's Day. Thanks for watching.